Is your Outback window going up and down slowly? If so, I'm going to show you a couple things you can try real quick on your own before taking it to the dealer and paying for an expensive repair. So the first thing is, go ahead and put power on the car, turn on your accessories or start your car. Yeah, let's see. Okay, right there at the bottom, I don't know if you saw that, but right there at the bottom it got really slow. So what we're going to do is we've got ourselves some silicone, spray silicone by PB Blaster, and we are going to spray this right up in this door track right here, all the way up and down. Same thing in the front, right up in here and all the way around the top here. This rubber tends to get dry, and when it gets dry, it gets kind of sticky. So this is the fix. So we're gonna lube that up first. Try to get you guys down in frame so you can kind of see what's going on here. Usually there's a little straw on here, but my straw fell off, so I'm gonna try to do this and not make too big of a mess. That's what they make rags for, right? All right. And then once we've got that sprayed in there, we can go ahead and run the window up and down a couple of times. You can kind of see and hear it chattering there a little bit, so run it back and forth a couple of times here and see if it gets any better. Mainly seems to be grabbing in the back on this car for some reason. So it gets down to the bottom. It looks like it seems to slow down even more. So we're just gonna put a whole bunch in there and let that run down that track. Run the window up and down to kind of work it in. Okay, it is getting faster. Not too bad. So the other thing you can do, if that does not remedy your problem, the other thing is, if the window is in the down position already, what you want to do is you want to push and hold down the window button for about 10 seconds. Okay, now I just heard the window. I don't know if you heard that on there, but I actually heard it kind of clunk, and that's about as long as I need to hold it. So 10 seconds would have been too much. In this case, it was only about 3 or 4 seconds before that clunked. And then after that, we're gonna roll the window up. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna pull up and hold. And I heard it again. You can hear it, kind of the motor just kind of kicks on. What that does is it reprograms the switch, resets those limits, so the window knows what the top and bottom positions are. So this one obviously needs a little bit more silicone because it is still chattering a little bit. But these are the things that you can try on your own to remedy the situation. So that's pretty much what the dealership is going to do if you take it in. Those are the first two things that they're going to do. They're going to lube that window track and they're going to reprogram that switch. So you can try those two things yourself. Maybe it'll fix it, maybe it won't, but you can cut out some time there. And you know, obviously if it's under warranty, it's not going to cost you anything to take it to the dealership, but it does cost you your time to run the vehicle over there and back, and those are relatively simple things anybody can do themselves. So there you go. There's a couple of easy things you can try yourself to try to remedy the situation, and if nothing else, it might save you a trip to the dealership. Thanks for watching.